Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we'd like to talk about this first aid kit that I got from KAUGIC. The good people at KAUGIC wanted me to do a live review of this first aid kit, so we're going to do an unboxing and then talk more in depth about each section. It has 5 little sections inside this thing that are separated, which is a good thing because this way it tells you what area you want to go to deal with this, so you're not ripping everything out of this first aid kit just to find, where the band-aids are, or where this is, or where that is. But all right, so let's without any further ado, let's get going. Okay, first of all, this comes with a strap around the whole thing to keep it nice, tight, and compact, which is pretty nice little feature here. But we're gonna, of course, undo that. Like I said, it has 5 separate little sections. One of the cool things about this whole thing is that it has these neat little carrying straps that you can attach this to your back of your backpack, or your bike, things like that, or you can just put this anywhere so it's off the ground and not getting wet that way. The case itself is waterproof, so that's a pretty nice little feature there, because everything in here could be affected by water. So anyhow, has carrying handles on the top and also on the sides. So let's actually get into this thing and see what we get. So this first little pocket is empty. There's nothing there. You could actually store, if you needed to store something, personal information, or maybe a list of medications or stuff like that. This way, once again, it's waterproof and won't get wet. Or and then you have this little pouch here, and inside this pouch you have all sorts of stuff. You have your safety mask, you have first aid guides, little book to keep first aid information, and also it does little first aid guides, how to do CPR, chemical burns, things like that, what to do and what not to do. It's cooling patches, which is really cool. It absorbs the heat quickly to reduce the heat. So it's really a neat little feature. And then also burn care creams and gels. So not bad at all so far. So let's go and open up the big pocket here. And so inside here you have like at least, I think it's 4 different little pockets that go in here. Your first section, let me see here, make sure you can see it all. Okay, your first section says has emergency protection. In here you have your emergency silver blanket. You have a nice pair of medical scissors. You have all sorts of tapes. You have, once again, your CPR mask to put on somebody. Over here you have lancets. You have floss picks. You have cotton swabs. So all sorts of stuff, excuse me, to help you do those areas. You unclip this. Oh, my voice is going on me now. And then inside here you have all sorts of tapes and wound care. This is where you're going to find a lot of bandages. Here, this thing has a ton of bandages. Just to give you a rough idea, it has like 52 small bandages, 70 medium bandages, it's 40 large. It has butterfly bandages, it has knuckle bandages, it has round bandages. I mean, this thing has all sorts of stuff. Like I said, this is going to handle most of your wounds. Whether you have little Adam out there running around, falling and scuffing his knees, you'll be able to help treat little Adam so he's gets all better whatnot. You have a pair of tweezers in here. You have another section. This section is called treat, and inside here you have wooden tongue depressors. You have excuse me, iodine wipe pads, benzene care pads, things to clean wounds and whatnot, or treat wounds. So that's awesome to have. Just put this all back in there, close it up. Once again, still got plenty of room to add stuff if need be. Over here, they call it tools and accessories. Once again, you have a pill container, which is nice. You have 2 glow sticks that you can use to help signal things. Let me get in here real good. Here you have a compass to figure out, where to go and how to do it. And you have a carabiner. You have a whistle down here at the bottom, and safety pins. All these things are really valuable to use, and comes in quite handy. I'm going to go ahead and put my tweezers in there as well. So once again, that's tools and accessories. On the bottom section here, let's see if we can get you to see that. Once again, you have like ace bandages. This is where your ice pack is. You have gloves. Instant ice pack. Gauzes. Triangular bandage. This thing has everything. Everything that you can ever want. And so, once again, all this stuff folds away nice and neatly. You just flip it all down. I don't think there's a real rhyme or reason on how to do it as long as it's done. But and then you have these retaining straps in the middle, if I can find them. There we go. That holds it all down. And boom, there you go. And then this comes just right on top of it, and you zip it all up. So once again, I think this is a really cool little first aid kit. It will handle everything that a regular person that's not a paramedic or a doctor or a nurse or whatever could handle and figure out. But this is really going to come in quite handy for everybody. I really like it because, like I said, it's ease and convenience. When they said they were going to ship me a 500-piece first aid kit, I thought it was going to be probably twice the size of this, and it is not the case. Once again, you have these little rings here. Let me show them to you here, and you can actually put a strap. There's a strap inside here that goes across if you wanted to have a strap for this. But this has really been quite, let me back it out a little bit so we can see it all. Quite a very helpful and useful little tool for you. If you'd like to find out more about this, definitely click on the link below. Like I said, complete breakdown of everything that this thing has. And like I said, it's a lot. I think I hit most of it, but there's probably still a few things I've missed out. And like I said, if you hit the link below, you'll really, I think, be thoroughly blown away. If you can also click the like and subscribe button, it really helps out the channel quite a bit. And we love to make these live videos for you. I'm reaching out to more vendors to see if anybody's interested in supplying us with this stuff, so I can go ahead and show you what's there included. So really appreciate your time today. If once again, if you want to put a comment in there, my question for you is, How old is your first aid kit? Is it, a couple of weeks old, a couple of years old, or the one I have in my vehicle right now? I might show a little picture of it. It's probably a couple of decades old, probably back in the 90s. So, yeah, I'm sure nothing goes bad with that stuff, right? But anyhow, if you'd like to find out more, once again, click on that link, like and subscribe. Appreciate everything, and we'll talk to you soon, and have a great day.